Hey everybody, my name is Carrie and today I'm going to be doing an install for the StickerFab overlays. This is going to be the Galaxy edition. Right now I just have the dark smoke on here, and then I'm also going to be doing the reverse lamp overlay install as well. There's nothing on there currently. There's only a little bit of a difference between these two, and I don't know if you'll be able to see it. Maybe I can get it out in the sun. Let's see if I can focus it. And it just has a little bit of sparkle to it. This install, I really recommend having the StickerFab application fluid. This stuff is like liquid gold. It'll help you move around the overlay, and I'll give you an example of that once we get started with that. Now here, I'm just going to use this to clean off everything. I've got my microfiber, got some squeegee and some trim tools and everything. I'll probably end up using, I don't have a felt tipped squeegee, so I'll probably end up using a credit card and just line it with our microfiber. You do not want to use a regular squeegee because you might end up with some scratches, some details in there that you don't want. And here is the product, and I have my speed wipe right here. Just want to remove any of the dirt because I haven't washed my car, because you don't want that laying underneath the vinyl and showing through. It will show through if it is not cleaned up properly, and you don't want that. Let's see here. Okay, now I have my second overlay, and what I'm going to do is take our StickerFab application fluid. I am going to spray that and get it nice and wet, and then I'm also going to do the same for this as well as I'm pulling it off, just so that way fingerprints and stuff like that won't show up. Speaking of, if you have not washed your hands prior to this, oils from your hands and stuff like that can get stuck on the back, can lose some of the stickiness from it. So you want to make sure that your hands are clean and not covered in dog hair. Okay, so now this is all nice and wet. That's what she said. And I am going to, after I remove a piece of hair off, I am going to line it up as best as possible. And you see what I mean by how the overlay will want to move around since it's wet. It gives you just a little bit of maneuverability with that, so that way it's not sticking immediately as soon as you apply it. Now I'm just going to go ahead and squeegee out any of the air bubbles that may be in there. Looks like placement is pretty good. Lined up with the other one just fine. Another thing is you don't want to do this installation in direct sunlight. I thought about pulling my car out so we can really show the glimmer of the tail lights. However, if the car gets too hot, this vinyl will start to become soft, and it'll start stretching the vinyl, the material itself. I like this placement, and now I am going to move on to the reverse lamp overlay and get that started. Okay, so now the installation method is going to be the exact same as it was for our taillight overlays, and what we're going to do first, go ahead and spray this down. Looks like everything's dry from before, so you want to spray this down. It's a little bit of an awkward position. Spray it down, get it nice and wet, and then as we are taking this off, go ahead and wet that. I am not slacking on this liquid gold, that's for sure. You just want to try to line it up as best as possible here. Okay, so I have finished the overlay for the reverse lamp. I've also finished the overlays for the turn signals on the GR86 BRZ. I am going to pull the vehicle out, and I'm gonna try to get it into the sunlight. I know we just got some cloud cover, but hopefully you can still see the sparkles that are inside of this Galaxy overlay for the GR86 BRZ. So, and here we have the finished product. It's a little bit windy, so I apologize about that. But I really wanted to show y'all what it looks like in direct sun. You can see a lot of that glimmer. It's hard to catch it on camera, but in person, it's almost iridescent. It's really, really, really pretty. And here is the reverse lamp overlay. That concludes my video on the installation for the reverse lamp overlay, as well as the taillight overlays on the 2022 GR86/BRZ. If you have any questions, or if there's anything that you'd like to see done to the vehicle, any stripes or anything like that, any colors, reach out, let me know. I'll see what I can do for you. As well as if you're on our website and you see something you like, be sure to use the code GARAGESWEETHEART at checkout for 5% off your order.